Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an account in eToro. Want to start trading or investing on eToro, but don't know how to create an account yet? Don't worry, the process is quick and beginner friendly. And in today's video, I'll walk you through exactly how to create an eToro account in 2026 step by step. So let's follow these few simple steps together. First thing you want to do is to go to the official eToro website or app. You can start by visiting the official eToro website or by downloading the eToro app from your device's App Store or Play Store, depending on which device you're using. Make sure it's the official platform before signing up. Now you're gonna type in eToro in the search bar of your search engine in your web browser. Then you're gonna click on the eToro website. Now after that, you're gonna click sign up or join now. As you can see, you're gonna click on this green button that says join now. And you'll need to enter a username, your email address, and a secure password. As you can see here, you may also have the option to sign up using Google or another account. Also, make sure to approve or confirm these options. And also, you have to verify your email address. Now, after signing up, check your email inbox and click the confirmation link, and this will activate your account. After that, you're going to move and complete your profile. eToro will ask you some information or some questions about your investing experience, your financial knowledge, and your risk tolerance. These questions are required for regulatory purposes. The fifth thing you want to do is to complete the identity verification. To fully activate your account and start trading, you'll need to verify your identity by uploading documents as explained earlier. Now, creating an eToro account in 2026 takes just a few minutes. Once you sign up, you verify your email and complete identity verification, you'll be ready to explore the platform safely. Just follow each step carefully and you'll be set up without any issues. And this is it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.